Okay, so I am trying out making some planter pots with concrete mix and fabric towels. So I poured the concrete. I just bought your basic concrete mix. You do want the quick dry kind. And I mixed it in and added water slowly until I got kind of a thick, soupy, really actually thick, more like a pudding consistency. And then I submerged the towels in that bucket, made sure they were nice and fully saturated, and then I wrapped the towel around this plastic jug. And you can see the lines here. I secured this one with some ribbon. I made sure there were some nice crisp creases here. And then I set it up and it is drying. Now, once it dries, this is my first time trying this, but see it's kind of crumbly here. I believe I should be able to sand this off. Oh, there's Ruby photobombing in the background. Here's another one I made. Oh, so there's the container inside that I'm shaping it around. You'll see a couple of binder clips here. That's just, there were certain creases that weren't wanting to stick, so I held them in place with the binder clips. And the reason why you want to set this on something upside down is because if you don't, it's going to have a tendency to want to flail out. So this kind of holds it together. Or another way is putting the string on there. So as it's drying here, what I've been doing is kind of encouraging these crease lines, pressing them in, and if it starts to crumble or get a little dry, I have a spray bottle here. So like here's a little spot right there, and I'll just kind of work those smooth. So there you go. You could make with some scrap fabric hundreds of these for less than $12 for a 60-pound bag of concrete mix. So I am really excited for how these are going to turn out. Another tip, you want to make sure the bottom is nice and smooth because you are going to be flipping these around this way. You want them to sit nicely. So once this dries, it'll be a lighter color, and then I'll sand it down, and then I might come back over, maybe spray paint it or paint it with some acrylic paints. And then I'm also going to remove this bottle and then seal the inside with the sealer because concrete is porous, and if we're going to be putting plants in here, we want to have a sealer on here so it's not just absorbing into the concrete. Remember, there is also fabric in here too, so that would also encourage mold. So making sure there's a nice seal on the inside, or just keeping your plant in its nursery pot, is probably a good idea. Okay, thanks for watching, and I will be posting more videos as this project progresses, and we'll just take it from there. I'm winging it and seeing how it goes. Please click subscribe, and my name is Katie Jo, and you can also check out my Etsy shop, Katie Jo Artsy. I will post a link in the comment section below to my shop, and you can see my unique pieces, everything from pottery, sculpture, to a lot of light up, whimsical type unique pieces that I make. So thank you so much for your support. You guys make it happen, and I just love what I do, and it's completely because of the love and support I've gotten from my online business and now hopefully YouTube. Bye.